Well, there's no staying dry today, so I'm just trying to stay warm. I got new plastic bags for my feet. When my route all day is 45. See how much water comes out when I do this. I missed it. Well, I'll do it on the other boot. Foamy water. Let's try the other boot. I'm gonna have to rethink my strategy for staying dry because it's not working there. I'm warm, but I'm not dry. So too bad you missed. My fault. I missed the other one. I'll do this one. I gotta pull it more, I guess. Yeah, they stay dry for about an hour. After that, oh man. Alright, let's try that. Alright. Boots off. Oh. I mean, there was more, but I don't know if you caught it on the film. Anyway, I'll bring on my socks now.